Hazrat Abu Idris Khawlani heard Hazrat Huzaifa bin al-Yaman say, the other people would ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about goodness, but I used to ask him about evil, fearing lest it should overtake me. So I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we were enmeshed in ignorance and evil. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu brought us this good. Is there any evil in the wake of this good? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. I thereupon submitted, is there any good in the wake of this evil? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes, but it will have adulteration. I inquired, what will be that adulteration? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a people will guide the others to the way other than my way, and you will like some of their activities while dislike the others. I asked, is there still any evil even after it? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes, some people will be inviting to the gates of hell. So whoso responds to them, they will cast him in hell. I then submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, describe them to us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they will belong to our party and converse in our language. I submitted, what do you enjoin me if I find that error? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, adhere to the group and the chief of the Muslims. I submitted, what if there will be neither a group nor a chief of the Muslims? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, forsake all those sects, though you will have to chew the roots of any tree till death overtakes you in this same condition. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7084.